Hey guys, how's it going? So, bit of a different video for you. Staying at the London Bridge Hotel today for a different experience. I'll tell you that in a minute. Just about to go in the hotel room for the first time before. Yeah, so let's do a hotel room tour for the London Bridge Hotel. So I'm staying in room 404. Put the card in and have a look. Okay, so this is a standard double room. Just dump all my Shrek Adventure stuff on the bed there. Okay, so today I've done Man and Two Swords, Shrek and Sea Life. So I'm doing the, well, let's have a look at the hotel room first. So that's the mirror. Hello. It's like this in Paris, isn't it? Wardrobe. Ooh, robe, hairdryer, safe, pillows. Stick on. Let's go have a look at the. So another mirror there. Hello. Right, mini bar. So I have put a credit card down. Let's have a look. Ooh. Quite a lot of stuff there. So the thing is with this, if you take something off, it will charge you straight away. I also made that mistake at a hotel New York at Paris. So that's not too bad. Those are the prices of the menu, just in case you're wondering. They do 24-hour room service as well, which we'll be taking advantage of. Some tea and coffee. Storage and storage. TV. Nice double bed. I think it's queen size that. Some pointless magazines. And yeah, well, I got a decent view. Not really. And so the favourite part, also each side here. I don't think they've got any USB charging ports. No, they don't, unfortunately. Right. And then let's go into bathroom. Da da da. Where is the light? Let's actually have a try and have a look where the light is, shall we? Yeah, there we are. So, bath, shower, all your freebies, soap, standard, and standard bog. So, yeah, not bad, I guess. Quite posh.